Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to edit song in Bandlab. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in bandlab.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Bandlab if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So on the left side of the screen, we have the trending, following, music, and video. We have the liked posts, albums, and playlists. In the top side of the screen, we have the feed, discover, services, library, and the search bar. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and edit a song in Bandlab. So first of all, launch Bandlab on your computer or mobile device as I told you in the start of the video. And go to your library and open the project you want to edit. Click on the editor tab at the bottom of the screen to access the editing tools. Use the scissors tool to cut sections of your audio. Click where you want to make a cut and drag to select and delete unwanted parts. Drag audio regions to move them around in the timeline. This helps you rearrange sections of your song. Click on the FX button to add effects like EQ, compression, reverb, and delay to enhance your tracks. Use the mixer panel to adjust the volume and pan of each track, ensuring a balanced mix. Then add new tracks to your project layer, different instruments, vocals, and sounds. Use automation to control changes in volume, panning, and effects over time. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. That will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye guys.